Live in East Cobb County to show us the Foxtrotters Dance Club.
Yeah, these folks are amazing, Stefan and Jennifer, and we're so excited to be with them. We're at the East Cobb Senior Center, and I've got the club co-presidents with me, Barbara and Jack DeGula. You live here in East Cobb. Tell me what you and your friends are doing.
Well, we love ballroom dancing, so of course we get together, just dance our hearts out.
And you have an absolute blast.
Oh, we do.
I'm wondering, Jack, if this is the secret to staying young.
Oh yeah, I've been doing this for about 60 years now.
You were telling me that your parents used to sneak you into the ballrooms, huh?
Well, it wasn't ballroom back then, it was the polka dances in Texas. So yeah, so I was under the table until I could get up on the floor. So
And now look at you.
yeah, so it went from polka to western and now ballroom. So
As we watch some of your friends here, I mean, this is really neat. You guys have quite the group, and it's growing.
Yes, it is. I would say 80 to 100 at least.
That is a lot of people. And are these folks from all over Metro Atlanta?
Oh yes, they come as far as Stone Mountain.
Wow. And so it's once a month generally, right?
yes,
And so tell us when you meet.
we meet on the fourth Friday of the month, except for May, which is canceled because of everybody's in school. And then in November and December, it has to go to the third because of senior activities in the building.
And of course the holidays too. But generally the fourth Friday night of the month. And you were also telling me that you can come out and practice if you say, I don't know if I have all these moves, maybe I just want to practice a little bit. Tell me about that.
Well, Frank Godfrey started this up a couple of years ago, and it's the first and third Wednesday of every month from 1 o'clock to 3:30. And if you don't have a partner, everybody switches up and dances with everybody.
Oh, that's awesome. So anybody can learn. Well, Barbara and Jack, we want to watch you do some moves. So we're going to let you get out there on the dance floor. We're so impressed seeing you all. And so, yeah, look at these folks. Go ahead. We have really enjoyed our morning, and they are showing us some moves. I mean, this is real dancing here. I mean, this is not just the kind of moves you're going to see the kids these days do. These are real awesome moves. And look at the smiles on these faces. Well, coming up in our next half hour, I want you to see this couple over here because the fella over there is 94 years old and there is his 87-year-old bride. They're going to show us their moves coming up in our next half hour, so you got to stick around for that. What do you think, ladies? Cool stuff, huh? You want to put on your dancing shoes?
Yeah, they had the twirl down. That was some good dancing.
I need to practice my moves.
Thank you, Rebecca.